Hello, welcome to beautiful sunny Southern California. My name is Mark Gross and I'm an account manager at Pan American Seed, and today I'm coming to you from our beautiful research facility in Santa Paula, California. And I just wanted to talk to you about a brand new series of Wave Petunias. So you're probably very familiar with Wave Petunias. They've been the benchmark of gardening performance for over 26 years. And we have a brand new series that I'd like to tell you about. This is called E3 Easy Wave Petunias. What's unique about E3 Easy Wave Petunias is their ability to flower under shorter days. So you may not know this, but petunias are what's called daylink sensitive. They need long days to flower. If you've ever been a southern grower, southern gardener, southern customer, down in Texas, Florida, Georgia, and you've tried to grow petunias in January or February under short days, they just don't come into flower very well. And again, that's because they need long days to flower. So we've developed this series to come into flower under shorter days. So again, if you're that gardener down in southern Florida, Texas, Georgia, any of those states where the winter time is your flowering market, you need a petunia that comes into flower under short days, and that's the benefit of E3. We're introducing it in 7 colors to start. So we have a red, we have a white, we have a blue, we have a pink, we have this gorgeous sky blue, coral, and pink cosmos. So just like all the other Wave Petunias, look for these in pink pots at your local favorite garden center. They'll start showing up in early spring of 22.